Hello, I just got this 24 pack of mouse repellent. It's made with all natural ingredients. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It comes with a little packaging here, and they're all individually packaged. All 24 of them are packaged like this. Let's open her up. It's all natural, pet friendly. But the mice don't like it, so you just go ahead and take them out, put them in this little bag right here. And just put them inside your house or outside, wherever you're having that mouse problem. Just go ahead and put them around. There's no weird smell or anything to them. So these are going to work out great. I like to have an all-natural solution to mice around the farm here, and think this is going to work out great. So if you guys got a mouse issue and want an all natural product, I would go ahead and buy that. Thanks.